Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher. How to say you are pressed in Igbo language. Mamịrị na-akpa. You are pressed could mean I want to urinate. So in Igbo you can say Mamịrị, which is urine, na-akpa. That is, na-akpa signifies pressed. Mamịrị na-akpa, I am pressed. If you want to say I want to use the toilet, like you want to defecate, nsị na-akpa. Nsị means poo or feces. Nsị na-akpa. That is, mamịrị na-akpa, I want to urinate. Nsị na-akpa, I want to defecate. If you want to also say I want to urinate, I want to defecate in Igbo, you can say in this other way. Nsị na-agụ. Literally, it means I'm thirsty. I'm craving for poo. I'm craving for poo. That's what it means literally, because if you say na-agụ, it means you are craving. But sometimes Igbo people, we do say nsị na-agụ. That doesn't mean that we are craving to eat it. It's not something that you can eat. It's not edible. It also signifies that you want to poo. Okay, so nsị na-agụ and nsị na-akpa could mean I want to defecate. Mamịrị na-akpa and mamịrị na-agụ could also mean I want to urinate. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher.